Hi, I'm Adrian Parry-Jones, Managing Director of the Fifth Wheel Company. We're a bespoke touring caravan manufacturer established in 2002. We're based in Riyadh, a little village just outside St Asaph. At the site here, we've got our factory, our showroom, our service centre, a one-stop shop really for customers to come here and build their bespoke tourers. We've been able to grow the business over the years through continual investment. Year on year, we've reinvested in new buildings, new infrastructure with the factory, very importantly, new software for the design department, continual update in our marketing for our websites, just to keep the customer up to date with what we do. It's essential for us to have broadband within the business because we're away at exhibitions, so we need to be back in contact. When we have customers, we do bespoke design work, which we need to email them to get their approval before we build the product. We offer our customers Wi-Fi, so they can do payments online when they arrive, when they spec their tourers, or if they're here waiting for a service, they can be waiting in the reception area. So over the years, we've always invested in the design department and the software. As the product's grown, so has the technology with it. We design all our own chassis, so we FEA them on the computer packages. We can bend them and twist them before they actually go into build. Customers now, when they're designing something bespoke, they want to see it, so it's very important to have the latest rendering package, so that they can see it in real life before we actually build the product and they can sign it off. We're just starting to use the analytics side of the media now with the websites and social media. It's great because with the analytics we're able to see the reach of the product, the articles that we're putting out into the press and on social media to find out key demographics of who's actually interested in the product and where. So with investing in your business, your website, your software, it will only make your business stronger and stronger in the long run. It'll make it a better place for people to come and work and also a better experience for your customers.